Hey everybody, Josh here, Lifetime Quality Roofing and Storm Restoration. I'm out here in Dublin, Ohio right now. Behind me is a house I just completed an inspection on. The homeowner called me out because several of her neighbors surrounding her, like her direct neighbors, have been getting roof replacements. So she was a little concerned and wanted to have hers checked out. I am going to be pleased to tell her that she does not have any damage. So it's great to have peace of mind and have your property checked out no matter what the circumstance is. Because if you do have damage, we work directly with your insurance provider to get you a full replacement that is needed for your property, no matter what is damaged. Whether that's your roof, your siding, your gutters, we take care of all of that. In this case, I get to give her the good news and make sure that she gives that peace of mind and she feels nice and happy and satisfied. And she took advantage of our free inspection, so I gave her a free 17-point evaluation. You can't really find that anywhere else, and I'm happy to give her this good news. Call today, 614-407-7663 and ask for Josh, or call my direct line or text 937-594-8234, and we'll go ahead and set up the best day and time for you for me to come out for your free 17-point evaluation. For a lifetime peace of mind, choose Lifetime Quality Roofing and Storm Restoration. Thank you guys.